What is good? So I am going to be talking about the Lasko ceramic tower heater with remote control, but I actually do not know where that remote control is. I had this fan for some years, so that's possibly the reason why I don't know where it is. I probably misplaced it or something. But yeah, it says with the remote control. But yeah, this is the Lasko ceramic tower heater with remote control. And the model number is 755320, and it's with 1,500 watts, and this fan is actually 23 inches. This fan is isolated, so it does look like isolation, so you don't have to worry about the fan being in like one particular spot, not just from one area, you know. And I thought that was pretty neat and pretty cool. The only thing is I would not recommend if you have a very small room and you have this heater in and you go to sleep, because this heater is powerful. Like, it is strong and it gives off a lot of heat, so you may wake up sweating bullets, and you may feel like you're just burning up, like nearly just I don't know. But anyway, this heater, it gets hot really quick. Like, my past experiences with this heater, I had this heater like literally close to me, like very close, just so I get cold easily. And I literally felt like this heater, I felt burnt my leg. It was so hot. Like, but it was toasty. I felt really warm and toasty, but it just was like, oh my gosh, like my gosh, like I feel like my legs is on fire. And I was scratching my legs, and I guess because when you do that, you open your pores or something, and then heat just came woof right in my legs. And I literally had to like move my leg quick in a hurry away from this heater. But yeah, that's how powerful it is. But the additional safety with automatic overheat protection, and it's like said, like when it tips over, it automatically shuts off. I tipped over plenty of times and it has to shut off, but it still kept working, so that's a good thing. You got two heating settings, low and high, and then you have a 8-hour auto off timer, which I'll show like where exactly that is. And another thing I like about it is that it has a handle, so you don't have to worry about like carrying it on the sides. You have a handle where you can like move this heater around and just move it anywhere you like. But yeah, this red light is just letting you know that I plugged the cord in the socket, so that's what happens. The red part is on, and you just turn it on like this. Okay, right now it's on high, but if you want to change that, low. So you have high and you have low. Okay, this is what makes the fan move, circulate, so the heat is going in different directions. Okay. And of course, you have where you can turn it up, the temperature, or you can turn it down. And then the 8-hour auto timer is right here. And so from an hour to 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then no hours at all to turn it off. I want to say, I'm not really too sure about remembering about this, but I know what it does is like it just lets you know, I guess, where it's going to, because I've seen another heater does that as well, and after when it hit that mark, it stayed there and then it kind of like cut off. So I actually like this heater a lot. I mean, it's helped me a lot with me being cold again, like I said. But the handle of this heater is right here. So you move it around and stuff like that. You don't have to worry about carrying on the two sides. You got the handle right here. See? Okay. So yeah. Let me turn this off. It's gonna be hot. What is this on? Okay. So yes, this is the Lasko ceramic tower heater, and I had this heater for some years and it's still going strong. So again, and the model number is 755320, and that's Lasko. And then let's play. So I'm pretty sure the remote control has exactly all these buttons. You just don't have to come out and you don't have to come up to it and adjust it, but I don't mind. So anyway.